Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all the GERSHION Polygel nail kit that I have. I purchased this a while back, but I never shared it. So within the package you get 6 tubes of polygel, and then you get a nail tool. One end has a spatula on it and the other end has the brush on it where you can spread the polygel. Then they give you a nail file, 100-180 grid. You get a set of nail forms, and then you also get the top coat and the base coat. So for some odd reason, I realized that I have swatches for every color, dip powder and gel polish, but I don't have swatches for my polygels. So I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna make some swatches. So just sit back and watch. Alright guys, so here are the completed swatches that I can now put up with my other swatches. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And until I make another video, I'll see you all then. Bye!